Are your Tableau dashboards visually screaming instead of subtly informing? Today, we'll transform those chaotic charts by mastering sequential color palettes in Tableau. First, let's open Tableau Desktop with our data visualization here. We have a basic bar chart showing sales figures. And right now, the colors are just a Euro random. To apply a sequential palette, go to the Marks card and click on Color. This opens the Added Colors dialog box. Click on the drop-down menu under Palette. You'll see a list of palettes. Choose a sequential palette. These are designed to represent a range of values from low to high. Good examples include blue, green, or orange. Let's select blue. Notice how the bars are now colored with shades of blue. The lighter shades represent lower sales values, while the darker shades indicate higher sales. For more control, you can use Step Color. Click the Step Color box to discretize the color gradient. Adjust the number of steps to control the segments in the gradient. For even more customization, click the Advanced button. Here, you can fine-tune the color range, setting a start and even a center color. Let's tweak the start color slightly to a lighter shade of blue. And that's it. By using sequential color palettes effectively, you can create dashboards that are not only visually appealing but also clearly communicate the story within your data. Remember to choose palettes that make sense for your data and audience. Happy visualizing!